So, you want to learn Bookkeeping, by Dave Marshall. http://www.dwmbeancounter.com. General Ledger and Journals. What information does a general ledger and general journal contain? Let's take a look at a sample record for each to find out exactly what financial information they provide. General Ledger. Simply stated, a general ledger is just a book containing the summarized financial transactions and balances of the accounts for all of a business's assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expense accounts. What type of information is included in the general ledger? General ledger. Name of account and account number. Date of posting. Description, additional notes about the entry if needed. Posting reference, journal's name, abbreviation, page, and entry reference. Amounts of the debits or credits transferred. Current balance of the account. General journal. Journals are preliminary records where business transactions are first entered into the accounting system. The journal is commonly referred to as the book of original entry. Specialized journals are journals used to initially record special types of transactions such as sales, cash disbursements, and cash receipts in their own journal. The journals contain all the chronological by date information necessary to record debit and credit amounts in the accounts of the general ledger. What type of information is included in the journal record? General journal. Entry number. Date of each transaction. Names and/or the account numbers of the accounts to be debited or credited. Amounts of the debits and credits. Posting reference account number in the general ledger. Explanation or description of the entry. The end result of double-entry bookkeeping is having an up-to-date, in balance, and properly posted ledger. In some prior lessons we recorded all our debits and credits transactions directly in the general ledger. This would work for a small business that had very few transactions but would become unwieldy for most businesses with any volume of activity. By its very definition, the general ledger is supposed to be a summary record of a business's financial transactions. It logically follows that since we only want summary amounts in our ledger, we need to record our detail entries someplace else first. What records do we use to do this? You're right. Journals are our preliminary records. All our transactions are first entered in a preliminary record called a journal or book of original entry. This process is called journalizing. After our business transactions have been entered in our journals, they are then periodically, usually monthly, summarized and totaled and then transferred posted to the general ledger as summary entries. Special thanks to Ron Leishman for the cartoons. http://